Adventure. Danger.
Hey!
Excitement. Those are Kane Wilder's 3 middle names. Kane faces his most dangerous adventure ever. A river of molten lava heading right at him. Time to think fast. Banana. He better go warn the scientists. Hey, guys? Huh? 1,000-foot drop or a river of lava? That's a tough choice to make. But wait, the crystal cases are impervious to the molten magma. No wonder they're so valuable. Surf's up and down. So glad that danger's behind them.
Hey!
Correction, it's ahead of them. Create your own adventures with LEGO City Volcano Explorers.